Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to deposit money on the FTX wallet. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the FTX wallet, then go to the news section, and at the news section on the top right corner you will find the settings icon, this little gear icon. When you tap on it, it's going to open up the news menu and also the settings on the bottom left corner. And when you tap on it, here you will see the card deposits are now live, and you just have to tap on it. And if you already signed in, it's going to open up the card deposit menu where you can add your card details and you can start depositing money to your FTX account. And if you are not, you have to sign in or register. I won't do that right now because I do not want to share all my card informations with the internet, but yeah, that's how you can do it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.